In today's ever-changing job market, staying ahead isn't just about adapting, it's about excelling. Enter the realm of AI mastery, a world where certain skills are your ticket to higher salaries and career advancement. These skills are your secret weapon for boosting your salary. Now imagine a learning process that transcends mere skimming through articles or watching tutorials at double speed. I'm talking about something much more potent. Speed learning using AI. In today's rapidly evolving world, staying at the same learning pace as you were 5 years ago equates to falling behind. Some individuals are leveraging AI to learn at speeds tenfold what they were accustomed to, propelling them ahead of the curve. AI algorithms function as the world's most efficient librarians, curating and recommending information you need to grasp at this very moment, not in the distant future. You're not just navigating the surging sea of information, you're writing it like a pro. This skill is undeniably paramount in the age of AI. Next up is AI-driven workflow automation. The idea of automating tasks has been around for as long as humanity discovered the wheel. However, the introduction of AI takes this concept to an entirely new level. It's akin to the wheel being equipped with rocket boosters and enabling us to moonwalk our way to Mars. Whether you operate in the fields of healthcare, logistics, food services, or any industry in between, AI doesn't merely knock on your door, it kicks it wide open. It's not just about automation, it's about intelligent automation. First and foremost, let's debunk a significant misconception. AI and automation aren't exclusive to tech giants or large corporations. Absolutely not. Whether you run a bakery, a real estate agency, or a pet grooming service, there's a slice of the automation pie for everyone, and it's delectable. Imagine this scenario. It's not solely about software that organizes your emails, it's about a sophisticated system that reads and comprehends your emails. It categorizes them based on urgency and context, formulates responses to routine inquiries, and brings only the most critical matters to your immediate attention. In essence, it's not just performing tasks, it's thinking about those tasks. What's more, these skills will give you a significant advantage in the job market, opening doors to positions and opportunities that will help you to ask for a higher salary. The rationale behind it is straightforward. Why invest hours in repetitive tasks when an AI system can complete them in a matter of seconds? Moreover, let's not overlook the aspect of accuracy. Human errors are an inherent part of the process, but for AI, an error is merely another piece of data to learn from. The next skill to master is prompt engineering, a skill that isn't limited to tech experts. It's for anyone who aspires to become the conductor of their AI orchestra. But why is prompt engineering such a game changer? Well, think about it this way. When you ask someone a vague question, you often receive an answer that's less than helpful. The same principle applies to AI systems. Vague queries yield vague results. However, when you master the art of prompt engineering, you're essentially speaking the AI's native language. You're saying, I know exactly what I want and I know how to ask for it. Take ChatGPT as an example. Suppose you're a small business owner aiming to craft a compelling sales pitch. If you simply type, write a sales pitch, you'll likely receive something quite generic. However, when you engineer your prompt to read, compose a persuasive sales pitch tailored to eco-conscious consumers interested in sustainable fashion, you're in the driver's seat. You've instructed the AI to tailor its response to a specific audience, resulting in more precise, impactful, and overall superior results. Mastering prompt engineering not only positions you as a valuable asset in the job market, but also increases your earning potential. Employers value individuals who can harness AI effectively to drive results, and they're willing to pay a premium for these skills. Skill number 4 is data visualization. And before you dismiss it as mundane, consider this. Data visualization is akin to the unexpected plot twist in your favorite movie. It takes something you thought you comprehended and flips it on its head, leaving you in awe, thinking, I didn't see that coming. Now, why is this skill so pivotal? In a world inundated with data, those who possess the ability to decipher it aren't merely ahead, they are light years ahead. Imagine being in a meeting where someone is droning on, reciting numbers from a spreadsheet. You're probably already drifting into boredom. Now picture someone else walking in, launching a presentation, and boom, interactive charts and graphs unfold, narrating a compelling story. Who do you think you'll remember? The answer is clear. The rationale behind this is simple yet profound. Our brains are wired to process visual information significantly faster than text. When you present data visually, It's akin to speaking directly to the brain's processing center. It's not only more engaging but also more effective. Whether you operate in marketing, sales, healthcare, or even education, the ability to convey information through visual data can transform your argument from a mere whisper to a resounding roar. Skill number 5, AI content creation. Some people seem to have the Midas touch when it comes to their personal or business brands. They write engaging blog posts, have eye-catching profile pictures, and curate social media feeds that look like digital art galleries. But here's the inside scoop. They're likely using the power of AI, and it's helping their brands grow 10 times faster. So why is this skill indispensable? First and foremost, we're entrenched in an era of content overload. If you aspire to stand out, you must consistently produce high-quality content. However, there are only 24 hours in a day, and even if you're a creative powerhouse, you have your limits. AI obliterates those limitations. Consider, for instance, the task of writing a blog post. You could invest hours in meticulously crafting the perfect piece, or you could employ an AI tool like Claude or GPT-4 to outline and even draft content based on your ideas. The beauty of it? It not only saves you time but also amplifies your creativity. You become a co-creator with a tool that can draw from a vast array of data in seconds, a feat that would take a lifetime to accomplish manually. Now let's demystify the concept of basic programming. The word programming might initially appear as an intimidating endeavor, but in reality, it's quite approachable. Think of it like learning how to cook. You don't need to be Gordon Ramsay to whip up a batch of scrambled eggs successfully. In the same vein, you don't have to be a coding expert to grasp the fundamentals. Now, why should you even consider delving into basic programming? Imagine it as the literacy of the 21st century. It's not exclusively reserved for software developers, it's for anyone curious about unraveling the mysteries of the digital world. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, farming, or any other field, a touch of programming knowledge will distinguish you from the crowd. For instance, let's say you're in HR, swamped with heaps of data from countless resumes. With a straightforward script, you can automate the sorting process, swiftly highlighting the most qualified candidates. In a matter of minutes, you transform from feeling overwhelmed to experiencing sheer joy. Skill number 6, understand the basics of machine learning algorithms. You don't require a PhD in technology or data science to grasp the fundamentals of machine learning algorithms. These are essentially sets of rules that guide AI systems in making decisions. Understanding these principles can provide profound insights into why AI makes the choices it does. It's akin to learning the rules of chess, where suddenly you comprehend why the knight moves in an L shape. Consider you're in sales and utilizing a recommendation engine to upsell products. Having a grasp of the basics of these algorithms empowers you to position your products effectively and fine-tune data inputs, enabling the system to recommend precisely what you desire. Lastly, on number 7, use AI for data analysis. Data and analysis might sound like corporate jargon, but it has a broad impact, touching every aspect of life, from health to shopping habits. Understanding AI-based data analysis is your ticket to making more informed decisions regardless of your field. Imagine you're a small business owner with an online store. By employing AI tools, you can analyze customer behavior, what they click, how long they stay, and what they purchase. This isn't merely a collection of numbers, it's a goldmine of insights that can empower you to fine-tune your business strategy for maximum impact. Enjoyed the video? Why not try making your own and start earning some extra passive income? Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2024 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. Anyway, check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.